Shangshui Kneomix Kneading High-Efficiency Slurry Mixing System. The innovative Shangshui Kneomix Kneading High-Efficiency Slurry Mixing System offers high production efficiency and superior solid content battery slurry mixing. Kneomix revolutionizes slurry mixing process. It prepares the slurry within an hour for each batch, which improves the solid content of slurry and significantly saves operating costs. The three key components are a material feeding system, a high-speed kneading system, and a cyclic fine dispersion system. The core of Orlenmix lies in the high-speed kneader and the cyclic disperser. There are three stages for slurry mixing: feeding and dry mixing, powder liquid kneading, and cyclic fine dispersion. 1. Feeding and dry mixing. Powders, both active and additive, are handled. The active materials are lifted to the big bag station by an electric hoist, then conveyed to the active materials bin, either by gravity or through pneumatic means. The additive materials, after manual unpacking, are pneumatically transported to the additive materials bin. These materials are measured by a high-precision metering module and passed through a rotary valve and a magnetic filter into the high-speed kneader by screw, while they are uniformly mixed under the combined action of a high-speed kneading pan and a counter-rotating low-speed scraping paddle. 2. Powder liquid kneading. Once the powders are evenly mixed, the solvent is atomized by magnetic pump and atomization head and introduced into the high-speed kneader. The powder then gradually wets under the tumbling of the high-speed kneading pan and the low-speed paddle. Once solid content is ready for kneading, the solvent addition ceases. The wet powder continues to roll in every direction, and a consistent kneading effect is ensured by the counter-rotating of the pan and paddle. The intense rubbing and shearing allow the active material, binder, and conductive agent to mix evenly at a microscopic scale, with additive materials particles evenly adhering to the active material surface. 3. Cyclic fine dispersion. After kneading, the remaining solvent sprays the residual slurry on the tank's top and walls, diluting the slurry to solid content. The diluted slurry then gets transported for fine circulation dispersion in the tank via the cyclic disperser, while the high-speed kneader continues the mixing of the next slurry batch. The slurry undergoes rigorous turbulent shearing within the narrow gap of the multi-layer rotor stator of the cyclic disperser, positioned at the base of the tank. This process helps to break down agglomerates and further decrease viscosity through self-circulation, ensuring that the slurry meets all the necessary quality requirements. The finely dispersed slurry is transferred to a buffer tank and finally stored in the finished product tank after cooling, filtration, iron removing, and degassing, etc., ready to be coated.